Hey, I've got our flow for us that we built together in our Animal Flow workshop 2 weeks ago. So we'll run through it one time on the right side, one time on the left side. So just as a reminder, this is just the flow, so it'll just be with the call out. So if at any time it starts moving just a little bit too fast or the language still feels a little bit foreign, take it back to the tutorial video for a little bit more explanation of each move. So let's flow. We'll start in our quadruped position. Lining shoulders over wrist, walk the knees in so they're just under the navel, tuck the toes, set beast. Loaded beast. Right leg front step. Return, loaded beast. Right leg front step, through. Hop it back, loaded beast. Wave unload. Set beast. Right leg under switch tap. Left leg under switch 2. Right arm crab reach. Return 2. Left leg under switch 2. Right leg side kick through. Right leg full scorpion. Set crab. Left leg under switch 2, loaded beast. Frog hop, deep ape. Ape reach. Open. Reach. Relax. We'll take it to the left side. It's a nice time to reset. Find your quadruped position. Tuck the toes, set beast. Loaded beast. Left leg, front step, return, loaded beast. Left leg front step, through, return, loaded beast. Wave unload. Set beast. Left leg under switch tap. Right leg under switch 2. Left arm crab reach. Return 2. Right leg under switch. Left leg side kick through. Left leg full scorpion. Set crab. Right leg under switch 2. Loaded beast. Frog hop. Deep ape. Ape reach. Open. Reach. Relax. Awesome job.